Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make copper pipe for VRF system. So let's begin. At first click here, select part and click OK. Now go to sketch and select sketch, and from here select front plane. Okay, now select circle and draw one circle and another circle. Okay, now go to smart dimension and take this one, take the diameter 5 millimeter and the inner diameter is 4 millimeter and enter. Okay, now go to features and select extruded boss or base and make it 50 millimeter at least. Okay, and it's a very general pipe and we have to make it a copper pipe. So for this one, click on appearances and appearances, then metal, and if you come down, this copper, and there are different types of copper, and I'm just selecting the polished copper. And click here appearance. Yes, I got the copper pipe. Now from here make it perspective, from background make the background rooftop. Okay, so these are copper pipe, and basically this type of copper pipe is used in VRF system, HVAC system, and for actually cooling effect. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.